Welcome to Weekly Math Challenge number 67. Before I show you the question, as always, I want to go over a few points. There's going to be one question posted every Wednesday, US time. If you solve the question, I highly encourage you to comment your answer below along with an explanation, keeping in mind that only unedited, non-reply comments will be accepted. The first 10 people to post correct solutions to the problem will be recognized like this. Congratulations, Jaleb, for being the very first person to correctly answer last week's challenge. Let's recognize 9 more people. Congratulations, Kevin Tong, Hiren Bavaskar, Reynolds45. Congratulations, Bigg Barbarian, Rohit Agarwal, Aswini Banerjee. Congratulations, Ricardo Mogollon, Albano Bafi 7. And last but not least, Abby P. A huge shout out to every single one. Now let's get to this week's challenge. Let f be a function from the set of non-zero real numbers to the set of real numbers such that xy times f of x minus f of y plus 2x is equal to x times f of x minus y times f of y plus 2y for all non-zero real numbers xy. If f prime of 1 is 2018, find f of 2018.